right, next up we have Akhilesh, Thite, sorry. So come on down and an introduction.
So, hey everyone, I'm Akhilesh and I'll be showing you how to use peer to peer technologies to create, collaborate, and publish without the cloud. So, yeah, to interact with the web, you need a web browser, right? And the browser you're using right now is HTTP only, which means that your data is passing through some server. But what if uh, your browser turns into a server? Yeah, let's discuss that later. But first, let's look at the problems with web browsers. Um, so web browsers are running after profits. They are making AI first interfaces where AI is forced. These are some of the big examples. I'm not gonna even talk about Google Chrome. But yeah, this is Brave and Firefox. So Brave backed off peer-to-peer support a few years ago, and Firefox introduced ad preferences. And this is what uh, any AI browser looks like these days. A sign-up screen, which is like a surveillance at peak, right? This is Arc. Uh, it's dead now. They are working on Dia. I don't know if it's dead or alive, but acquired. Okay. So I started PeerSky in 2023. It's a peer-to-peer web browser which is running multiple peer-to-peer nodes like IPFS, Hypercore, BitTorrent, and you can communicate, publish offline peer-to-peer. So this is what it looks like. It's the home screen. This is we're calling it a P2P bar, where you have all the peer-to-peer applications. We're gonna discuss a few. Um, we are using PeerSky at UCSC as a Discord, Slack alternative, as Google Slides, Google Drive alternative, um, yeah, and many more. So as you all know, Discord introduced age verification, which is dangerous. Like they want you to scan your IDs, and at some point, they will get leaked, right? So as a CSE 185 TA at UCSC, I'm using PeerChat to like announce, to make announcements, to keep track of students' resubmissions, and also work-related stuff. I'm not gonna go into technical details because we don't have much time, but I just wanted to show you how it looks, and there are real people using it. Next app we have is peer-to-peer Markdown. So it's like real-time note editor app where you can collaborate. You can publish your notes to dweb like IPFS and Hypercore. You can use local LLMs to generate stuff. And there is a slides mode. These slides are created with peer-to-peer Markdown. Local LLM. So in PeerSky, AI is optional. It's not forced. Even the search engine is DuckDuckGo no AI, but you have full agency. Like you can put any search engine you want. Then you have to enable the local LLMs. You have to enable the LLM memory API for the chart history, and by default model is Qwen 2.5 coder, which pretty much works on all machines. It works on my machine. It's pretty beaten up. So on the right side, we have AI chat. It looks like ChatGPT or any chat app, AI chat app. You can just upload stuff. The cool thing about this app is you can turn off the internet and use it, because you're downloading these models on your machine and you're running them. So whatever your prompt is living on your machine, it's not going out. Yeah, Sam Altman is not spying on you. You can manage your peer-to-peer data in archive. You have full agency over it. You can export and then import if you want to run browser on another machine. Torrent, so you can open any BitTorrent or magnet link and start downloading. I'm not promoting any piracy. So this is Tears of Steel. It's open source public domain film. Yeah. So let's look at how it looks like to build apps on cloud infrastructure. So it's HTTP. There's big tech surveillance. It's high cost, high maintenance, and complex code. And as you know, there's no user agency. But P2P is free. Yeah, and like you can just throw these lines and publish content. All the apps I showed you, they are like all static apps, 4 to 8 lines of code. If I had to create those apps with cloud infrastructure, I had to use something like React, some kind of a framework, then cloud like Vercel or Netlify, and there's complex code maintenance. So yeah. And for real-time applications, I'm using Wholesale. It's like peer-to-peer end-to-end encrypted tunneling. There's no port forwarding. So what's next? You want to work on mobile. So imagine whatever I showed you on mobile. But peer-to-peer on mobile is difficult. Not all the protocols support. Only currently Hypercore is the fastest protocol. So we want to work on mobile and we are seeking some funding. So give us $1 million and we will make something really impactful if you calculate the net good. These are our supporters: Internet Archive, UC OSPO, DWebCam, Google Summer of Code, ETH Denver. Yeah, all the Gitcoin, all the good stuff. Stickers, grab stickers. They're all over there. Yeah, download PeerSky, save the internet one peer at a time. Thank you so much.
All right, we'll do questions at the end.